Hello lovelies, today I'm here with a quick DIY and so just come along, let's begin. These are all the tools that I'll be using for this DIY. I don't have a blade, so I decided to use knife for the blade part. So come along, let us begin making this. The tools you'll be needing is a piece of fabric, your scissors, the tape or the rope you want to use for the design, and also your thread and a blade. So if you have a razor blade, that's perfect. What I'm making is a tassel for a key holder, and you can use it for your bag, or if you want to use it to design your dress, you can go ahead and do that. So you'll be needing your thread. If the thread is that you have is too much, you can go ahead and just divide it into two. So you place the thread in between the square shape of the fabric that you have, and you fold it in like a triangle. Now this is a very great idea if you want to make like a gift for someone, or if you are designing your dress and you are looking for how to design the dress or how to make a tassel for the dress that you're making. You can just go ahead and do this for yours. Okay, so this is just an idea that I saw and I was like, oh, that's nice, let me make a key holder for myself, and I was able to do that. So if you have a key and it's looking boring, just go ahead and make it look lively. Okay, so for your car keys, your car, if you have a car, you can just put it in front of your car mirror, that mirror in front of your car, and use it. So when you are done stitching it, the first stitch, and you double stitch it, you are going to now open it up and use your comb to comb it. So that's the reason why we have comb for this tutorial. So use your comb to comb it after you stitch it. Okay, so it's looking neater and it's looking equal, right? Now you are going to go ahead and remove all the thread and stitch on top of it, on top of that part that you've torn open. So that's where I'm stitching on now, on top of it. Can you see it? So after you stitch on top of it, you can do double stitch or just one stitch, then go back and comb. So when you are done combing the making it look equal and you are done with that part, it's time to make a beautiful design. So for this part, you can go ahead and fold yours into two. So what I did was I just used one rope and I went ahead and I stitched it like a triangle. So you'll be stitching the triangle part all the way down to the tassel. Okay, so from the tip of the triangle all the way down to where the thread is. Can you see the part that I'm cutting? That's the part you will stitch. So I'm cutting out the excess. So that's the part you will stitch, but you have to be very careful. Okay, so that's it. Now I went ahead and I double stitch it because I want it to be very firm. So you can go ahead and do the same for yours. Then cut out all the thread and you are good to go. So this is it. Can you see it? Then what you are going to do now is comb. After you're done combing it, you're going to take your scissors and cut the length of the rope that you need. That is it, guys. That is how I made a beautiful key holder for my key. And isn't it beautiful? So this is something you can do in less than 5 minutes, and I wanted you guys to see it, so I decided to just make this for my key. So you can do that for yourself. You can put it in the car mirror, for your handbags, or whatever you want to use it for. You can also use it as a design for your dress if you are making a dress. Okay, so I've seen this in most of all these Indian people dresses, but well, I decided to do mine for my key. So this is how it is, guys. So this is just a quick tutorial. Don't worry, a longer video will be posted on the channel soon, but you know me, I like to mix up things for my channel, so to spice things up, right? So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I'm talking to you right now watching without subscribing. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It doesn't take much, it's just a little bit of gesture, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Doing that, liking and subscribing to our channel makes us to reach more audience, right? So thank you so much for doing that, and God bless you. Okay, so that's it. That's basically it for our tutorial. Bye. Have a blessed and lovely day. Bye bye.
She grew up a love everyone would expect.